Insert the included plywood anchors into your holes, like so. Have inserted anchors into your holes, take the provided screws and hand screw them into the anchors. Leave a little less than a half an inch of screw still visible. You will use that to hang the shelf. Make sure your shelf is level once more and finish tightening the screws. Using a ratchet driver available at your local hardware store, tighten each screw. Use the provided small screws and a handheld screwdriver to attach the face to the frame. Your shelf is now mounted. You can use any stainless steel cleaner and a microfiber cloth to clean up your shelf, and it's ready for use. We hope you enjoy your Ponoma floating shelf.